Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another episode in bWAPP series. In today's video, we are going to continue XSS or cross-site scripting series. And we'll be finishing up this series. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So now let's head over to Linux VM to start. So we can log in to bWAPP and we can select or choose the module or the bug what we are going to do this video. Yes, just as I said, we are coming to close this series of cross-site scripting series hack. And so obviously user agent information are displayed in this table. So very possibly user agent is vulnerable to XSS attack or specifically stored XSS because user agent information will be saved into database and then afterwards displayed on the page. Okay, so an overview of our latest visitors. So I think we can utilize Burp Suite to manipulate user agent. So how to do? Let me turn on intercept option and then we can refresh and we can try to put something malicious into user agent field. Okay, script. Okay, alert JSON. All right, forward it. And then we can go back to, yes, our JavaScript payload has been executed as we expected. Sweet, so not so difficult. So with that being said, we have already completed XSS series. Okay, so see you in the next one. Bye, have a good day, peace.